On behalf of Truck Star Motor Sales, we wanted to say thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Hazel and Richard of Cagayan de Oro for your third purchase of a refrigerated truck. We are so grateful and hope we met your expectations, and for putting your trust and confidence in our company. We wish that this unit would strengthen and grow your business even more. Your commitment as a customer is much appreciated. We look forward to serving you again in the future. It is our pleasure to work with you always, and thank you for being Truck Star Motor Sales' loyal customer. And congratulations on your newly purchased Isuzu Forward refrigerated van. For unit availability, questions and concerns, kindly contact Red Moahe Jr. on the numbers flashing on the screen or check the description box for more details. You may also visit our Facebook page, that's www.facebook.com/truckstarmotors, or direct message Red at www.facebook.com/redhottrucksforsale. If your required unit varies from this list, we accept cash and financing payment options. All units are VAT inclusive, with free transfer of ownership and TPL insurance. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel for more updates, latest shipments, and unit features on all truck types brand new and pre-owned.